I don't know. Is there a Canadian under the hood or something? A couple months ago, I went to an oil change shop and tried to get them to scam me. I pretended like I didn't know what I was talking about, and I want to do the same thing. The date is over. I let it go a little longer than I wanted it to, but it's just that time right now to get another oil change, and so I thought, why not do it again? Why not see if we can get scammed one more time? If you're a dedicated follower, you might be asking yourself right now, why is David driving in the daytime? He never does this kind of thing. And you're right, I never drive in the day, but today's my day off and I need an oil change. Now I could absolutely do it myself at my own shop, but that would only cost me like 30 bucks, and where's the fun in that? I want to get ripped off. I want to catch some crooks in the act. Yeah, last time I went to Victory Lane, and I thought just to keep it consistent, I would go to just a different Victory Lane and see if they're consistent, I guess. I know a lot of people were asking me to go to different spots, and a lot of those places don't exist around where I live. If this video does super well, I might just take a little road trip and see if I can get scammed somewhere else. It's my buddy Mo. I love you, Mo. Ended my life. Yeah, so this shop is right over here. I think I'm gonna try to get all my cameras and stuff situated right now. Hope this doesn't get oofed up. What's up, man? I just need an oil change.
You all ready? Yep. That's a nice little car you got.
Thanks, man. I just got it.
Yourself, or?
What?
Did you do all the stuff yourself?
No, man, I just got it.
Oh.
I just got it.
How are you today, my friend?
I'm good, man. How are you? The guy I bought this car from told me you need to use this to open the cap for the oil cap. For the oil cap, yeah.
Why does this smell like maple syrup?
I don't know. Is there a Canadian under the hood or something?
I was looking down in there, I'm like, that's a turbo.
Yeah. Hey, dude, look at this.
Oh, I'm fucking jealous.
Yeah, isn't that sweet? It comes from the factory with a turbo.
I need to do more research on servos, man. I focus on Toyotas.
From what?
So the iconic rumble that you get is from uneven lane competitors.
What does that mean?
I don't quite know what it does. I know that it changes the distance of the exhaust is traveling, so it kind of big little rev
Am I good to go?
Yep. Are you going out left or right?
This way.
We'd have to go that way to exit.
Yeah. Oh, I'll go this way.
Okay.
I'll go this way. All right, man. I want to get that video, bro. I gotta go back. Bro, the oil light came on and I'm just kidding. I want that video. I need that video, man. I have to turn around and come back and get it.
No, just oh,
sorry, bro. I had to.
It's not the best audio.
That's alright, man. Oh yeah. Well, I appreciate it, dude. Thank you. How's it going? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Last time it cost me 122 bucks. This time, drum roll please. How much? How much? $122 plus a $3 non-cash fee. I think it's because I got an AMX card. Both of the guys that I talked to were the sweetest dudes ever. They were so cool, man. You know, I've been in the oil change business for a couple years now. I know it's expensive. I know that it, you know, they don't make a lot of money on it, so they have to kind of upsell it. They didn't try to rip me off at all. I had a really hard time pretending like I didn't know what I was talking about. The only thing I felt like I could pull off was saying that I didn't know what unequal length headers were. It's kind of a specific weird thing. Bruh. Last time was great. The guys were super nice last time, but this time they were like super cool dudes too.
How's it going?
I don't know, man. I think I might have been converted to Victory Lane. All the people I've ever encountered at Victory Lane have always been super nice. The one dude was telling me all about his some Mercedes. He kept calling it an AGM instead of AMG. That was kind of funny. I don't think I've ever encountered two people who actually care about cars in a setting like that, and so that was really a breath of fresh air. If you two boys ever see this video, I'm sorry. I pulled a fast one on you, but I think it's fine. You guys are really cool. I don't get to film a lot during the day, so I gotta kind of take advantage of it while I can. This is a sweet spot right here. Oh, my ISO is way too high right now. Hopefully I don't get hit by a freaking car right now, dude. Oh, that's a stellar shot, bro. All right, got some cool, quick B-roll.
Bruh.
Yeah, dude, what do you want from me? What do you want from me, lady? I gotta pick up my little brother from school in like 20 minutes, so we kind of gotta mob out. Whoops, oh no. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in the comments about the oil change, about anything else. All the feedback I've been receiving recently has been so supportive, so I really appreciate it. You guys are fantastic. It's been an honor, it's been a pleasure, and I will see you in the next one.